In the United States, if you're injured in a workplace accident, you have important legal rights. These rights are protected by state workers' compensation laws and sometimes federal laws, depending on your job. Here's a simple breakdown. Your legal rights after a work accident. Right to medical treatment. You have the right to get medical care for your injury. Your employer or their insurance must pay for doctor visits, hospital stays, surgeries, therapy, medication, medical equipment like crutches. Right to file a workers' compensation claim. You can file a workers' compensation claim to receive wage replacement if you can't work, medical cost coverage, disability benefits, temporary or permanent, vocational rehab if you can't return to the same job, right to keep your job while recovering. You cannot be fired just because you filed a workers' compensation claim. This is retaliation and it's illegal. Right to appeal if denied. If your claim is denied or you don't agree with the benefits, you can appeal the decision. Hire a workers' compensation attorney. Attend a hearing or mediation. Right to disability payments. If you can't work temporarily or permanently, you may get disability benefits. These are usually a percentage of your average weekly wage. Right to refuse unsafe work in some cases. If the job is clearly dangerous and violates safety laws, you may have a right to refuse unsafe work, especially under OSHA protections. Right to sue a third party. You usually can't sue your employer for a work injury because of workers' comp laws, but you can sue a third party like a machine manufacturer or contractor if they cause the accident. Important reminders. Report your injury quickly, usually within 30 days, varies by state. Keep records of all medical treatment and time of work. Talk to a lawyer if you're denied or treated unfairly.